You say?
No, for my mind, I don't say I too like it for this thing. When you don't get determined for something,
I tell you.
never do
You know they do me. Okay.
anything.
You know, since how many years where they do. I not gree give up. In the video.
Because the way you hold the camera like this, I know it is this person.
Yeah.
And you turn this thing upside down like this, the camera. So you know it to know say you use and face.
Varför lägger han upside? Varför la han upside down?
Creating jobs for them and trying to reduce crime rate. At least when you create content now, they see what they keep you busy.
So guys, this is my friend. See the car we came with. Summer car. That looks like toy, children's toy. Hello, blah blah. You mother. Bro. Yeah. Hey, Avin.
Hey.
Hello. You mother. Is it your car? Why is it looking so small? Why is the car so small like children's toy? Okay, summer car. This is the summer car. Wow.
It's very fun anyway.
Yeah, it's fun to drive with. Anyway, I enjoyed myself. Thank you, Alvin.
Yeah.
I call it a side attraction.
Wow,
Ah.
a good capture. Testing.
Yes.
You feel yourself. Why is this cat here?
Ja, det är så.
So guys, we are at Ikea. Today is Ikea's adventure. Blair and the hubby want to make some shopping. Why you come with us?
Yeah, we are here for,
What are you shopping?
Yes.
we just come to check some things we need to put in the apartment.
All right.
And so
This
we
is
just go around.
We are just doing shopping, guys. So you just come with us and be with us. Enjoy the roaming around with us. We are roaming.
He said,
Yeah, guys, as couple, this is their first visit to
yes, in our
this is
relationship.
their first visit to
To
Ikea. So they want to, make arrangements of their home, make
Yes.
some arrangements.
Exactly.
and
Ooh.
test the relationship.
Super
Yes,
couple.
yes. He said it's also a testing relationship because when you take your woman
Out
to this kind of
to this
place,
kind of you see
she wants to get everything.
everything.
Oh, I want this. Oh, I want that. Oh, the bed. I want this.
And that's true.
It's a test.
Test is a test. They are testing my friend. I have to go with her and be pitching her. Don't do too much. Don't do too much. These ones are for what?
It's too slow.
Is it for kids, huh?
Yes.
To play with?
Aha,
I
yeah,
think
there.
this is
Is
big.
it for children?
Ja.
No, don't. Oh, the panels are open.
Aha.
Okay, seal.
You put them
I
in.
think it's.
Okay. Like a game.
Ah.
Exit. Okay.
And then you take the iron. When you complete it,
Yeah.
you take iron and melt.
Oh,
And you
yeah,
get-
yeah. Yeah, I get that. Okay. A craft.
Yeah.
Wow. And do you know what, guys, I have experienced here? The price here are not smiling. The price are not smiling. Man, if I will come here for shopping, house decors, maybe I will just go home empty-handed because the price are not smiling with nobody. Just imagine the price of this one. Let me show you. It's just for a single table. That is 1,595 krona. And this is the table. Do you know how much that is when you convert it? It's a lot for me anyway. And now look at this too, they already started. He's like, let's see that center table. And she was like, no, it's too small. And the guy said, okay, the tests have just started. How much is that?
Lever. If you want.
How much is that one?
This is 699.
Oh, that's cheap.
700.
That is 700.
Yeah, so this is might be good actually.
Yeah. And it's beautiful. It looks good. Oh, that's cheaper there.
I said, then, so this is also beautiful. We check the price. Wow. This is cost.
That one is 1,495.
495.
Okay, we take photo.
Yes, we take photo for this for that.
think something like this one would have be okay for me. Let me see how much it is. This one doesn't have
This is
price
the
tag, or maybe it's set.
Maybe the set
Set.
like this time.
It's set. Oh, wow.
Maybe these two goes together.
Together.
Because this has its own.
Oh, yeah. How is that one? Oh my God, that one. Wow. Wow, this one looks very fine.
I like this one.
Have you opened it again? Let's see.
Yes, and we have storage.
Yeah, see storage. This one is.
We can have
Wow.
all the kind of.
Yeah,
Storage inside.
and it's 590. 1595.
And,
That
and
is the
then
price tag of this one.
it gets too much store. It gets too much. Yes. I
You
don't
have
want
your
to-
stuffs, you pour them there, and
I
you
don't want to
just
see nothing.
nothing, and then you just close it like that. Wow,
I think
I
I'm
like
kind
this
of
one.
liking this one.
kind of liking, or you already like me. I like this one. This one is so perfect.
I don't want to say too much, so I will say,
You know, don't be a bad housewife.
Now you start
Okay.
now we start.
Okay, I
Just pour them in there. Close it.
maybe we
Perfect.
make budget for this one. 1.5.
What did Avin say? You made bargain.
The budget. We need to make.
Okay, budget. I thought you want to bargain with them. I want to ask you, Swedish people, do you also bargain?
It's awkward. It's awkward.
You don't know how to close.
But I can open it too.
There's some kind of lock system.
So you can open and you cannot close. Close it or you will not leave here today. Close or you don't go home.
I think we go with this. So I've gotten my taste for the center too.
Oh, bless.
Man, but it doesn't look.
That is big. White.
It has white. Perfect.
Oh, this one.
Yes. The perfect one. The nice one. The nicest
You know
one.
I loved it. You know I love that.
We don't have much right.
Abby, you can close. You can close it. Close it or we remain here today. I think there's something you have to press to lock.
We need tutorial.
Yeah. And this one is cheap. 1, 2.
This is example of it. This is the one you take. Maybe just open it and like pin it so you don't open and close.
Okay.
So
And the white is perfect. Then you just put the flower on top of it like that. Yeah. So they are taking that one. They'll see the one they like. From one to the other, then to the white. So now we're going to the bathroom area. The side we have to get the bathroom stuff. So we go down.
Yeah.
but before we
Okay.
go down,
Add them.
Add them together.
Yeah. But if you have already got the inside, you can all just
Take
like
it out
this.
and wash.
But it's too much. The pillow is different price.
Uh-huh.
And this is the cloth for the pillow.
Eh? Okay,
No,
different price.
this is the cloth,
Uh,
and this is the inside.
the inside pillow. It's so much. They separately. Wow. I did tell you. Separate price. The center chair is having separate price. The chair is having separate price. Uh, this one. Multiply. When I was wanting to buy sofa, this one when I buy from Ikea, they return my money. This was the one I bought, green one of this one. I don't know what happened. They return back my money. Yeah, it was 1.5. Since that time, it's still 1.5. It's under this thing, but green one exactly this chair. Already bought it online, and then the next day they return my money back. I
And
don't.
not the sofa.
Yeah, this sofa.
They didn't send it.
They didn't, because I just like for the size of that place, and I clicked this one. They didn't sell for me. Oh, you don't- Eh? Let me press on. Eh? Where are we now? Ikea.
Are you enjoying your adventure?
Yeah, of course I'm enjoying my adventure. IKEA adventure. Where are we? IKEA. Where is that? Oh, for outside for the summer. For the summer. Oh my God. Just have your whole day to yourself. Drop a glass of wine there. Swing, 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 swing. Wow. This is apartment. Showroom. This is apartment. It even have television.
We have TV.
So we start
See.
calculating. Just start to calculate. 10,000.
Apartment inside of IKEA.
Sofa is very expensive.
I did tell you. The sofa are so expensive, guys. Woo. They are super expensive.
Men jag tror inte...
This is a wardrobe. Showcase wardrobe.
That is so big.
Ja, hur ska jag...
Where are we? IKEA. Hilarious answer.
Bathroom.
This one we are buying FPC.
FEZ. Wow. And jacuzzi baths. Uh-huh. This is bathroom area. Bathroom stalls area. Okay.
You know that where they go and cook for.
Children play toys.
Okej, ja.
Så frågar han om det.
Can you imagine? Who does that? You know, for dirty clothes. Is that one not too small? Like this one? No, they're bigger. You can even lock, you see, you can even lock down.
Jag såg där också.
Aha, yes. It's the same thing. This looks beautiful. 99, 200, 199. This one,
Och den.
oh, that one 400, 400. How much this one? They do? Check. 480. Okay, 500. Oh my God. That's expensive.
That is $500 already.
Guys, please don't mind me with it's too expensive. It's too expensive. I always say, don't mind me. This is actually my first time at IKEA. Don't mind me. Actually, IKEA is a very good place to do your shopping. The things are beautiful, super nice, and the prices are okay with them. It's very well. It's very good, guys. So, whenever you are doing your shopping at IKEA, their prices are nice. Yeah. Dining area. So, guys, this is where we are going to be holding it for today. I don't know what happened. The rest of the video didn't download. That would have been showing you guys the things they later got. So I don't know. Everything got deleted. So they later got a house filled of things anyway. So see ya when I see you.